Okay, the boxes we built with the fencing around it because of that one right there trying to get in and dig and dig and dig and dig. Little puppy. We planted carrots in here about a week and a half ago. We got carrots growing. We got the large cucumbers starting to sprout. We got squash, green beans, small cucumbers, and over in the last box we got zucchini. So even though it's to keep the dogs out, it actually helps because all this being vining, we could take the vines and wrap them over it to be able to support all the vegetables growing. So it's going to help out. So that's they were all planted at the same time. And then we got, it's a little raining today, so these things are getting watered today. In the back garden, we got stuff we haven't transplanted yet. Some more cucumber plants and peppers. And our cabbage is growing, lettuce is growing down there. Broccoli growing in there. We really need to transplant those. I think that's when my son dumped all the seeds in like each little pot. So we probably got like 6 plants in one little spot. Corn of the cob's growing. Scallions didn't do too well. I think we had one little sprout over there, and yeah, strawberries won't fruit till later anyways. All the radishes are growing. Some more cauliflower in there, and stuff we've transplanted out. Besides the tomatoes, we actually bought the little starter packs for the tomatoes. And then we got some sweet peppers. We got red and yellow peppers right there in the back. And we got a row of banana peppers, the sweet banana peppers. Transplanted some veggies there. Some, what was that, eggplant back there. We got our few plants here that we transplanted. They don't grow too well. These are our watermelons. We got the one there, there, over there, and there. We need to pluck some weeds. Springtime's coming, so the weeds are coming up, especially being wetlands back here. But our pumpkins are growing pretty well. But everything's starting to grow. Springtime's coming, rain's coming. Got our plants, flowers are blooming. And gardens are growing. Everything's growing.